up? What it do? What's good with you? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this Neutrogena liquid makeup foundation. And I actually never tried another foundation that wasn't Maybelline Fit Me. Like, I tried different formulas of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but never tried a different brand of foundation. So today will be my first day trying a different brand of foundation. In my haul video, I showed you guys this Neutrogena liquid makeup, but just in case you haven't seen that video yet, hold on, let me fix, because my hair is doing everything because I just washed it. But just in case you haven't seen that video yet, I just got this on the clearance aisle at Target, and it's originally $13, but I only paid like $4 for it. And I just felt like it was kind of very close to my skin tone, so I'm like, why not try it out? So I have my beauty blender over there. I got it in the color Chestnut, number 135, and I'm just excited to try it. So let's get this thing on my face. Also, click the notification bell so that you can receive an alert for every time that I post. But let's just get right into the video. Y'all, I literally I don't know. So like, I like it. Like, I really do. I really like it. It's like amazing to me. Now, the only reason I say that is because it's a good color for me. And I feel like, I don't know, I just like it because I feel like it's a good color for me, of course. And then at first I was kind of iffy about it because it was coming on kind of light, I guess. Not light as in color, but I was like, ooh, I'm used to the foundation being more heavy. But then I'm like, that's actually not a bad thing. Like, I don't want it to feel like I have makeup on. I want it to look natural, but I also want it to feel natural at the same time. And this does. It literally feels like I have nothing on my face right now. Like, I think I found a good new foundation, and that's terrible because it's originally $13. So I'm gonna have to start spending $13, which compared to others, of course, is not that bad, but compared to the $6 that I was paying before with Maybelline Fit Me foundation, it's just double the price, but it's worth it. It's literally so worth it, and I'm just so excited. I'm just admiring my face in the camera right now because I don't know, but I just really love it, and I'm glad that I found my color in the first time. So I know that I need chestnut and nothing really darker. This matches me so perfectly, and I'm just so excited, and it just, I don't know, I really like it. So most definitely a thumbs up to Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup Foundation, and I really suggest that my subscribers get some as well. Like, although it is double the price of Maybelline Fit Me, which a lot of beginning YouTubers are used to, it is like a lightweight foundation, and it's not too heavy in your skin. And then it also contains some SPF in it, which is good when it comes to the summertime when the sun hits you. And I just love it. I can't even say nothing else besides the fact that I love it. So most definitely a great buy, and I'm so happy that I was able to catch it on the clearance for $4. So I'm definitely going to go back to Target and get some more before it's gone, because that's just such a great deal. So most definitely a favorite. But in the last 20 seconds of this video, it will be a circle with my picture on it, and that is a direct way for you to subscribe. Also, like I said in the beginning of the video, click the notifications so that you can receive notifications for every time that I post. Also, please like and comment any other brands or whatever that you want me to try. I am all for trying new things and new makeup, especially if I get breakthroughs like this. Um, that is all for my video. It's Dark Beauty 925. Signing out of this live. Bye.